Ooh. Ooh, undressing her. Yeah.
Take it off. Take it off. No.
What's up, guys? It's another episode of Go Kart Academy, sponsored by 893 Motorsports, as well as Untitled Chapter, Atlanta Motorsports Park, and Praga.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
Praga. We're working on a Praga kart today, guys. Today's tutorial is going to be really simple. And some people think it's easy to take off stickers, but that's not necessarily the case.
No, it's not, man. It really is. The glue that's on the back of these stickers is hard to get off. It will leave all the GGs.
All the GGs, guys.
Those GGs. So anyway, we're going to be using the heat gun, the power of the sun, and we'll use a little bit of brake parts cleaner to get everything off and get it prepped ready for a new livery, man. It's going to be fun to put the new livery on these.
Yeah, so we're doing a livery swap today, something you probably haven't seen in the go-kart world before, but this kart needs a little bit of a change. So we're going to show you guys how we do it and walk you through some of the small aesthetics of taking off stickers, which might seem simple, but you want to do it clean. So we're going to show you how to do that.
Yeah, it's going to save you a lot of elbow grease later, rubbing and trying to get all this stuff off. So if you take these steps, you'll make it. Or you like pew, 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 pew.
That's right.
That's not how it works.
Oh shit, that's not how it works, guys. That's not how it works. So let's show you how to take off a sticker kit on a Cadet Praga. Let's do it.
Let's do it. Hey guys, so we're just gonna roll this out, set it in the sun for about 20 minutes or so, get it nice and hot. This would work better if your side pods are black, but you know how we feel about side pods and white ones. Anyway, we're gonna set this in the sun. Luckily today, the sun is out, so we'll let this get nice and warm, kind of make the stickers malleable and heat up that glue. We're just gonna set it there. Make sure it doesn't roll and hit the cars, but this is the easy part, man.
20 minutes, baby.
20 minutes. So guys, we left it in the sun today for about 20 minutes. We're gonna pull these off with the heat gun. Pew, 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 pew. Too many pews. Anyway,
So many pews.
So we're just gonna use some brake parts cleaner and heat gun. Brake parts cleaner will take the GGs off after we get it off, but let's get to it.
Let's go.
So guys, you're just gonna heat things up a little bit more after they've been sitting out in the sun, and we'll slowly start peeling up back. Yep, see that's coming up. Ooh, look at that nice whiteness.
Ooh. Ooh, undressing her. Yeah.
Take it off, take it off. No?
Look at that. Nice and clean, guys. Nice and clean.
Came off perfectly good. Kind of take this and just find the nearest garbage can you can find and just.
So let's do the front here. Now it might seem overly. It might seem like this is something super simple, but I'm telling you, we have pulled up stickers where it's leaving so much residue, and having it sit out in the sun, shooting it with a heat gun, and making sure that it comes off easily saves you easily 10s, 20, maybe a half hour work of elbow grease trying to get everything off. So all this extra work really pays off in the long run.
Yeah.
There we go, guys. So we have pulled off all of the major stickers off the side pods, the Nassau panel, the front bumper, and the rear bumper. The only thing that we have left to do here is the
Floor plan.
So we're gonna do that right quick, and then we're gonna show you the finished product. So we finally pulled off the final stickers of the floor pan here. As you can see, got a little bit of GG, so we're gonna have to attack this with some adhesive remover or some brakes parts cleaner. But that's about it, guys. A simple tutorial on how to pull off your livery or your stickers on a go-kart.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun to put the new ones on.
Yeah, so here's the question for you guys out there. What livery should we put on this go-kart. Let us know at Go Kart Academy, or you can leave a comment below on YouTube, guys. Thanks so much for joining us for this quick but important tutorial on how to pull off livery and stickers off your go-kart.
Wasn't that hard, right, man?
It wasn't that hard. 20 minutes in the sun, some shooting it up with some heat. Not too bad.
It's good. All right, guys. Well, we'll see you out on the track.
Peace.